Okay, I'll buy it.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Really?
Oh, for God's sakes, do it. I'll give you the money.
So, 50 quid plus tax, that's 60 quid.
Shut up, you gotta be joking.
Okay, it's 50.
There you go. Okay. Da, da, da. Wait, I'm gonna go this way. It's a nice way, and then maybe nobody will spot me. This is an awesome little pistol. It looks like it's made out of Connects or something. It's got a really, really nice grip. Beautiful. I don't like that. It's so spiky. Okay. Let's go! Oh, they're gonna get it. Okay. Let's go quiet. Quiet.
Put your hands up!
Put your hands on myself!
No.
Yeah. Well, he's dead. Idiot.
Oh, black pistol is kind of
Bang. That's definitely not how you spell bank. Just in case he decides to get back up.
What are you doing?